Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Myself and the other design team members for Kendra's Card Challenge are each picking a sketch from Card Challenge 11, which is the current challenge, which runs from July through September. I am going to be doing sketch number 14 today. And we will also be showcasing some of the sponsors of Kendra's Card Challenge. So when you enter Kendra's Card Challenge, whether you do it once a quarter or you do it all 3 months out of the quarter, there are sponsors who generously donate prizes. And so for the month of August, I am going to be working with Scrappy Crafts. They generously donate a $25 gift certificate for the quarterly challenge. And so the products that I'm going to be working with this month are this stamp called Witch's Brew. There is this die set called Mini Ghosts, and then Halloween Essentials is the next die set, and that die set I will be using today. So I will be using the cobweb and some of the bats from that die set, and Scrappy Tales generously donated these products for me to use this month, and so I want to thank them for that, and I will be using those products, like I mentioned, throughout the month of August to create the 15 sketches for Kendra's Card Challenge 11. And the paper I'm using for this sketch today is from My Mind's Eye. It is an older paper pad, but I will be using a different set of papers when I do all 15 cards this month. But Kendra's Card Challenge is basically where you are going to take 6 6x6 sheets of paper and create 15 cards, and Kendra provides the sketches as well as the cut files, so you know exactly where to cut and what cuts to make and what sizes to cut everything. And then you have the actual sketches, which basically show you how to assemble the card. And again, I am doing sketch number 14 today of Kendra's Card Challenge 11. And to enter the challenges, all you have to do is be a member of the Facebook group. And so you have a chance every month to win prizes. So every quarter you have 3 chances to win if you go ahead and enter the challenge every month. And the winners are a random draw, so nobody is judged on their cards. It's just a random draw for the winners. And so I'll go ahead and leave all of the links for all of the for the Facebook group, as well as information on the challenges. And if you're new to Scrappy Tales, it is a fairly new business, but Sabrina, the owner, has been making cards for years, and she would always make these fabulous interactive cards, and so she's basically turned that into a business. And so she creates and designs all of her products along with her family, so it really is a small a family business. And I just think it's super cool that she took her a passion for making these cards and designing into a business. And she is fairly young, I believe, in her 20s. And so it's just a huge thing to have a business that young and be so successful at it. And so it's just super cool. So I will leave a link for Scrappy Tales in the description below, as well as the products that I will be using this month for the challenge. And I was super excited about making the cards for the August challenge a Halloween theme. I don't know if I got burned out on Christmas for Christmas in July, but I feel like I really love making Halloween cards, but I mean, there's some years I don't even make them because I don't know if I should send them out or what exactly to do with them, but they're just super fun. The colors, the different embellishments, just really super fun to make. And I'm going to go ahead and start to finish this card off. I've added a bow to the bottom using some ribbon that says Happy Halloween. And I'm going to take some glue dots and glue to adhere that bow to the strip. And if I didn't already mention what the giveaway for this hop is, it is a digital download. And if you're interested in that, I will leave a link for the entry form below. But I hope you go ahead and check out all of the participants, all of the design team members, and you can either find them by following along with the links that are listed in the description or use the hashtag. But that's going to do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like this video or find it informative, I would love a thumbs up. As always, I thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope to see you next time.